Hey guys, this is Phon-Er Gold. This is vlog 31. How are you, true fam? Everything good? Hope your week is going good so far. Today is Wednesday, and I'm guessing you already killed half the week. So good job on that. We're on our way to fix an iPhone 7 Plus. It's for a customer that just wants to return the phone back to the company because he was a loaner phone, I guess, and so but he broke the screen before that. So we're going to fix the phone, and so he'll be able to return the phone back to the factory, which will be great because if he they return the phone back with a crack, we're gonna charge him the full amount. So, and we do that a lot actually. We a lot of times we just all we do is we just swap the screen just because the customer has to return the phone for an upgrade or a jump program or whatever a contract they have on, which is usually like a upgrade and return. And yeah, that's what we're doing right now today. So we're on our way to Slauson, which I believe it's South LA. Not really sure about the city. I'm pretty sure it is. So we're heading out there right now as we speak. We just left our vendor, got the part 7 Plus black or matte black 7 Plus, and we'll be back with you to show you what goes on there. It goes down because it's about to go down. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace. Phon-Er cut to the true fam. Love. Already out. Guys, we are here. There's the phone right there. iPhone 7 Plus. So that nobody will see what's going on there. Thank you for watching. This is Phon-Er Gold.